All right, so now that it's coming to the end of the term, there's a couple things that will show up in your projects posts. So the one that we're going to focus on right now is uploading all your work to Google Drive. So I'm going to click, and it says how to upload all work you want to keep to go to your Google Drive account. Watch this video. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our Drive. So I'm going to click once up here on this little waffle guy, and I'm going to open up my Drive. Then it says we need to click New and create a new folder, and we're going to name it Computer Art. You can name it whatever you would like. So I'm going to do New, click on Folder, and I am going to name it Test because I want to delete it later, and then Computer Art. Okay. So again, you can name it whatever makes sense to you. You could say 7th grade Computer Art, 8th grade Computer Art, whatever you would like. I press Create, and here it is on the top of my screen, and it says name it Computer Art. Double click to open it. So I'm going to open up this folder. It's currently empty, and then it says New, File Upload, and navigate to the folder and upload all the work you want to keep. Helpful tip, hold the Control key to select more than one file at a time. So I'm going to go back here, New, I want to upload a file. I'm going to navigate to my desktop folder, and maybe I don't want to upload everything that's in here, so I just want to upload a couple. So if I click once on this and then I press and hold the Control key and click again on something else, do you see how it allows me to highlight different ones instead of having to upload one at a time? And then I can press Open, and you can see over here it'll start going through the process to upload all of my files. And this says that they're up, and this shows me that they're up. That's it. That's how simple it is. Just so you guys know, I will be deleting. So just like it says here, important notice, helpful tip, upload your work to your Google Drive account as all student folders and files will be deleted at the beginning of each new term or semester. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to delete everything off the desktop. I'm going to delete everything out of the downloads folder. So it's really important if there's anything on there that you would like to keep, that you go ahead and you put it up into your Drive folder.